अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट, आपका दोस्त वाशिंगटन से। आज मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ लोकल कम्युनिटी गैदरिंग में, और वहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त एक्टिविटीज़ हैं। तो वहाँ पे क्या क्या हमें देखने को मिलेगा, बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ और देखिएगा कि हम आपको क्या क्या शो करवाते हैं। बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ और मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि दुनिया के किस मुल्क से आप ये मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं। अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं।
She's reading.
I'm just making sure. Mom! There's a little tiny horse. Yeah, today.
There is a little mini.
What do you mean no? You have to ask to pet the dog.
Oh my gosh! Baby chicken, baby chicken.
Yeah, we will. I'm taking back over.
Mommy, where's little rabbit?
Oh, big dog.
No, wait, don't let. Stop
Not ready?
Look at the baby one. It's a baby.
Come right in.
Like, you ain't got no food.
Little turtle. That's the stuff he's been in.
So the other one's name is very tiny, but that one's name is Tarzan. The little one? Yeah, it's Tarzan. Yeah.
Oh, she gave us a Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Look at the picture.
So cute.
Look at that. The baby one is
Alina, come see. Hey, Judy, come here. Look. Okay, guys, come.
Look at that. He got feathers in his mouth. Look. He's drinking water, got some feathers. He talking to you, man. He say, "What's your name?" So say, "Whack, whack, whack, whack." Say, "Whack, whack, whack, whack." He talking to you. He said,
I'm gonna stay with the dog. This is more my speed. Sorry. That's okay.
It's very smooth.
"See a lizard." Look, see a lizard.
She's a nice drinker, Don't ever put your hands near their mouth. Any animal. Then you don't have to worry about getting bit.
That's so scary.
This is a, she's just a lizard. Feel her. Feel this.
Oh, he's so fluffy.
Okay, I'm just being like hands coming at it. You know, when you have kids, you know, it's just part of life anyway.
I want to pet the chick.
You guys, you want to pet the snake?
Try to pet them.
Oh, the mistake.
$2 off.
$2 off. So that's a $2 off in the book if your parents want to buy it. But you can also grab a sticker.
Let's go see the animals. I think it's a Janet. Janet.
Just to prove I can do a trick. Oh, I got wet. Is that a good trick? No, it's not a good trick. Let's try this one. Here we go. Oh, we're getting a lot of this right off. Let's go take it. All right, here we go. I'm going to stay still.
जी माशाल्लाह, आपने देखा कितनी ज़बरदस्त गैदरिंग थी। अगर आज आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो मिलते हैं हम किसी और अच्छी सी वीडियो में। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।